Okay, well, I thought I'd show you something here because a lot of people have never seen these. This is a Chrysler Town Country with fluid drive. This is a car that was the last one that was inducted into the list of recognized classic cars for the Classic Car Club of America. It's the newest on the list of true classics recognized by the club. Now, unique because of the wood body construction and, of course, top of the line Chrysler for the year. Very expensive, handmade. It was decided that this fits the criteria for a recognized classic car of the classic era, which ended in 1948. This is one of the cars that was with us on the tour, as were those three over there. It's just being loaded up to head for home, and I'm pulling it out here for the transport to be able to load these cars. I'm going to show you something now. You see what it says here, see the nice big brake pedal and the safety clutch pedal next to it. Now, like I said, this is fluid drive, and here's how the fluid drive works. If I put my foot on the clutch pedal and start the engine, I put the car in gear and I can let out the clutch all the way. My foot is no longer on the clutch pedal at all. Now, if I do this way, it acts like an automatic transmission, and I can give it throttle and start to move forward. But I've got the parking brake set so that it won't go anywhere. But as soon as I release it, the car will go. So what this is a manual transmission with a hydraulic torque converter. So once you get the car into gear and let out the clutch, it will act like an automatic transmission. That's the Chrysler fluid drive system on this Chrysler Town & Country convertible. Thanks for watching.